Student, welcome to our CLE Degree College YouTube channel. So welcome to our classes. So today I am going to discuss some other problems based on the operating costing. So in previous class we solved the problems 5 marks question which are related to the calculation of the passenger kilometer. So here information will be given which is related with the 15 marks question. So let's see what type of information will be given. A transport service running 10 buses between Hubli and Dharwad with 25 kilometer distance and sitting capacity of each bus is 50 passenger. Here a transport service company is running 10 buses and distance between Hubli and Dharwad is 25 kilometer and sitting capacity of each bus is 50 passenger. Okay, the salary of driver will be given. Salary of driver is 6,000, staff salary 3,000, diesel 2,000, repairs and maintenance 2,000, insurance 4,500, depreciation 5,625, interest and other charges 5,500. Actual passengers carried were 75%. Each bus made one round trip per day of month April. Find out cost per passenger kilometer. Here this type of information will be related with the preparation of the operating cost sheet. And actual passenger carried were 75%, means actual capacity utilized is 75% out of 50 passengers, and each bus made one round trip. One round trip means total trips will be 2, and find out the cost per passenger kilometer. For the calculation of the cost per passenger kilometer, we need the two information, that is one is the total operating cost, second one is the passenger kilometer. So using this two information we are calculating the cost per passenger kilometer. So let's calculate the first step, that is a calculation of the passenger kilometer. So passenger kilometer equal to number of buses into distance into trips into capacity of each bus into number of days and actual capacity utilized. Here number of buses is the given, that is 10 buses, into distance will be 25 kilometer between Hubli and Dharwad, into 2 trips. One round trip means total trips will be 2, into 50 is the sitting capacity of each bus, into 30 days because they are told for the month of April, into 75% it is the actual capacity utilized. Okay, so here total passenger kilometer will be 5,62,500. So in this way we have to calculate first, that is the first step, calculation of passenger kilometer. Second step, here we have to prepare the operating cost sheet. So operating cost sheet na yav riti prepare ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, 3 part ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ನ ತಗೋತೇವೆ. One is their standing charges, second one is their maintenance charge, and third one is their running charge. Under 3 part we are taken into consideration the operating costing, and also we are calculating here total operating cost. Okay, so let's see how to prepare the operating cost sheet. So as like already you studied under the 5th semester and the first term, that is a chapter under the our 6th semester, that is a preparation of the cost sheet. Okay, here operating cost sheet, the 2 columns we have to need it, that is a preparation of this cost sheet, particulars and the amount. So under operating costing, the first part will be standing charges. Standing charges ಒಳಗ first information ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ, salary of driver. Salary of driver is 6,000. Next, staff salary 3,000. Next, diesel is coming under the running charges. Repairs and maintenance, that is coming under the second one head. Next one is there insurance. Insurance, the amount will be 5,400. Next, depreciation. Standing charges is nothing but the fixed charge. Depreciation 5,625. Next, interest and other charges. Interest and other charges 5,500. Here all the standing charges information will be over. Next, write down second one part, repairs and maintenance. Under repairs and maintenance, directly they are given, the amount will be 2,000. Then third one part, under the operating cost sheet, that is a running charges. Under running charges, diesel and other lubricating oil will be coming. So diesel amount will be given, that is total amount is 2,000. So after writing all the information which is related to the operating cost sheet, we have to calculate the total operating cost. Make the total of all the standing charges, repairs and maintenance and the running charge. So the total operating cost will be 28,625. So in this way we have to prepare the total operating, means by preparing the operating cost sheet we are calculating a total operating cost. So after calculating the, that is total operating cost, third step is to calculate the cost per passenger kilometer. Already I have told, in order to calculate the cost per passenger kilometer, we need the two information, that is the total operating cost and another one is the total passenger kilometer. So cost per passenger kilometer equal to total cost divided by total passenger kilometer. Total cost is 28,625 divided by total passenger kilometer is 5,62,500. So here we will get the cost per passenger kilometer will be 0.05. So in this way we have to calculate the cost per passenger kilometer. This question is for 15 marks. So this type of questions will be appeared in your examination. Okay, and in next class I will solve some other problems which are appeared in the previous question paper. Okay, I will solve in the further classes. Thank you.